Can you guess a word's meaning just by looking at its parts? In this lesson, we are breaking the language down into its core pieces. Learn these and you'll start deciphering words you've never studied before.
수, water, 화, fire, 산, mountain, 토, earth, soil, 지, ground, 하, below.
Now that we've unlocked 6 foundational characters, it's time to put them together. Let's start building our words.
화, 산, 화산, volcano, 수, 중, 수중, underwater, 지, 상, 지상, above ground, 지, 하, 지하, underground, 산, 수, 산수, landscape, 토, 지, 토지, land.
Ready to test your new skills? Let's see how many of these combinations you can actively recall right now. Look at the English meaning and choose the correct characters.
화산, 수중, 지상, 지하, 산수.
In our next lesson, we are breaking down a brand new theme. See you there!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.